Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing something interesting. That is the poll which I asked in my LinkedIn group, that is ServiceNow Spectaculars. Let me show you the poll first of all. So this is the poll where I'm asking the question, can an admin user delegate his custom application development capabilities to a non-admin user? So if you are an admin, can you delegate your development capabilities to someone else? Let's find out. So thank you so much for all who have voted for it. And if you would like to join this amazing group ServiceNow Spectaculars, I will provide the link of the group in the description of this video. So now let's go to the delegation. This is my instance. So let's go to the users. Let me find out the admin user. Let's say my one. This is the admin user. Click on it. So this user has the admin role. You can see here. This is the admin role. And now let's go to delegates here. Click on new. So here if I make any user delegates, let's make this one as delegate. Okay. So here you see what all things I can delegate. I can delegate my approval, I can delegate assignment, I can delegate notification, meeting invites. So if you look closely, these all are the business related thing. It is not saying anything with respect to development. Okay. So now anyway, let's submit this record. So now let me impersonate to this user. I see this user has some modules here. Let me open the scripts. Let's say business rule. So there is no business rule application. So this proves that delegation of custom development or any kind of development activities is not possible. Theoretically as well, this is not possible because if it is happening, it means it is altering the roles by itself. So this is a kind of complex situation, and it is also against the ethics. So in this poll, the best option will be no, it is not possible at all. Okay, this is not possible. You cannot do that. For such kind of amazing stuff, subscribe to our channel, join our group, and say bingo. Thank you so much. Bye bye.